Good morning. I just wanted you guys to see the puppies. They're starting to realize that there are litter mates, and they're barking, and they are interacting with each other. It's really cute. Little barking, little growling. Looking for mama. Come on, mama dog, move out of the way. In the big fat middle of everything. Okay. Aww. Yeah. So they're probably hungry right now. They're really getting around good right now. Walking around. They got nice big fat bellies. And a few more days, most likely we will start with the solid food. Hi. Hi. You want to say hi to me? Hi, gorgeous. Hi. Oh, yeah. I got a couple all surrounding me. Looking around. Yeah. Oh, do you want pets? You want pets? Okay. I know you're hungry. You guys are super hungry. It's not easy for mama to feed all these puppies. But she is doing a really good job. Look at that puppy. Oh my God. That's a little girl. That's a little girl. Yeah. So here we have a little girl. This is a little boy. This is a boy. This is an orange color boy. Little black collar boy. This guy's a super cuddler. He's a purple collar boy. This little green girl, green color girl. Oh, they're trying to get into my lap. I will usually put like a little towel or something in my lap so they can climb up. And if you have kids, just make sure that they also put a little towel in their laps, and they sit down with the puppy, hold the puppy on the ground so the puppy can't fall down. I know some of you have kids, so we want the kids to be safe and the puppies. Oh my God, I love you. I'm holding a little purple boy. He loves to be held. He is so sweet too. Oh, there you are. There you are. He is a real doll. Like, this puppy should have been born a Pomeranian. He loves to be carried. Yeah. So I'll do some more pictures. I just wanted you to see what was happening. Okay. All right, you're down. Yeah, time to feed the babies. It's all right. It's okay. Good baby. Oh my God. Such a baby. Such a little baby. Let's see, who is that? Puppy number 1. This is a boy. Bye guys. Talk to you later.